Hello guys, welcome to my channel Iron Tech. I hope you all are fine enjoying the previous videos. So guys, as you know, we started a series in which I teach you about different skills, short skills, and you can earn easy money by selling the skill on Fiverr and other freelancing platforms. So guys, in today's video I will teach you how you can create design menu design. You can sell service of menu design on Fiverr and other freelancing platforms. Basically I teach you how you can design a menu. So I am going to Fiverr, and your target audience is basically restaurants because you have to uh, create menus for them. So here I write menu design, restaurant menu design. So there are 10,000 people are providing this service. I will do restaurant menu design, food menu, or digital menu. Okay, I click on this. Let's analyze his gig. In basic package, he charged $30. In standard package he charged $50, and premium package he charged $80. And this, let's see his portfolio, and he is creating this type of menus. So I will teach you how you can create these type of menus in this video. So that's it for the Fiverr part, and let's move towards how to design this. I am using Canva for this purpose because Canva is easy and handy to use, and we have just customized the templates, because if I use Photoshop or other software it will take a lot of time and I do not want to make this video too long. So here I write menu design, and I will like to customize this one. So first of all I would like to change the style. So it's changed, and now want to change the picture. So I write here pizza, and I am deleting this image and pasting this image here like this one. And I'm placing image here. So our menu is ready. Now you just have to get the details of the dishes from client and paste it here, and rates also. So in this way you can create a menu design in very easy step. So that's it for today. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then click the subscribe button and share it with your friends and family so they can also learn and earn through it. I will meet you in the next video. Till then, keep learning. Goodbye.